Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Ryan Dins, and on today's episode we are going to talk about Coca Cola stock and why I think you should buy it or why I think you should not buy it. So before we do that, you're going to want to hit the like and subscribe button so you can get more awesome video tips every single week. Let's go! Woo! Alright, Coca Cola is a staple in most hedge funds' portfolios. It's not an exciting stock because it doesn't grow crazy like some of these other growth stocks grow, but it's very consistent. It used to be at $2 in the 80s, below $2 actually, and now it's at 57. So you can expect growth from this. It has a PE ratio of about 30, so that's a little bit high, but it does keep growing, and it's got a dividend of 3%. I was buying a little bit more when its dividend was in the mid-3s, but it's still a good dividend hold because they continually grow its dividend each year. So you can be sure that when you buy it, you're going to have the dividends go to the moon. And that's very important because you're going to want dividend stocks that continue to grow its dividend because, at 3% dividend, it's not that exciting. But if it continues to grow its dividend each year, a few years, it'll double your dividends. So that's why you want to look at these dividend stocks that have a long history of growing their dividends and raising it each year. I also would like to note that this is Warren Buffett's absolute staples. He has had this in his portfolio forever. It continues to do well for him. Don't do what everybody else does, but you got to look at what some of the big dogs are doing. I mean, he hasn't been wrong in a long time. It is, in my opinion, one of the safest stocks you could possibly buy. For that reason, I would say it's a buy. It's not an amazing buy right now like it was a few months ago because it has gotten me over 20% gains since I've been holding it. And I haven't been holding it for much longer than a year. Do your own research, and you gotta make sure that you buy these very safe long-term dividend stocks if you want to grow your wealth. The way I look at it is with my strategy that you can learn more if you subscribe to the channel, but I buy stocks that I know are going to go up in the long run. I know they're going to raise the dividends. I'm going to double my portfolio probably every 3 to 6 years, depending on what the market does. The S&P 500 has tripled in the last 10 years. I mean, yeah, we have been on a crazy bull run, but you got to look at it this way. When the dividends keep being raised, and just the way it is in America right now, unfortunately for the people, like every single law is being directed towards growing corporations. I won't get too into the conspiracy part of that. I mean, these stocks that are staples in America are going to continue to go up as long as America continues to go up. And as long as inflation rises, you're going to want to hedge your inflation by buying these sure thing stocks. So that's why I think it's a buy. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button because we're going to have awesome videos every week. And I don't got much more to tell you. That's it.